Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Morning, sister.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Okay. Now, before we start our lesson today, let's try together basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Now, are you using your attendance? Irfan Juta Waluka. Ayu Wadiviananda.
Present, Mister.
Salsabila.
Present, Mister.
Yang lima. Okay. Before we start, I want to ask you something. Who likes listening to our reading stories?
What, Mister?
Who likes listening
Listen.
to our reading stories?
Listen.
Salsa?
Mister, I would like to read a story.
Yeah.
The story is Iguana.
Next. Stephanie.
I like listen story, not reading.
Sorry.
Nadia Omara.
Maaf.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Jajaran Stephanie. Today, we are going to study the Takli. Have you ever studied English?
Yes.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ever read the story in English. The story is Harry Potter.
You got that?
Yes.
Thank you, Tata.
You can start.
Do you know story with animal character?
Yes. Yes. Anjing dan buaya.
What do we call two stories?
Hamilton. Anjing dan buaya. Pada zaman dahulu, Mister. Anjing yang cerdik. Ya. Anjing yang cerdik.
Jadi cantik.
Ya. Anjing dan buaya.
Okay. Next. Topic today. Narrative. Okay. Alias, read one paragraph. Yeah.
Stand in front of the class or just sit here, Mister? Stand. Stand in front of the class or just sit here? From here. Okay. A little duckling was very ugly, unhappy because he thought he was the ugliest amongst all his brothers and sisters. Did not play with him and chit-chatted the poor ugly duckling. One day he saw his reflection within the water and cried, "Nobody likes me, I'm so ugly." He decided to go away from home and went far off into the woods.
Okay, thank you, Caca. Next.
Me. Me, Mister. Mister. Paragraph 2, Mister. Me, Mister.
Givi.
Sorry,
Get with them. Deep within the forest is so exotic in which there live an old lady. Her dad and her cat. The ducklings stayed with them for a few times over. He was sad, young, and totally left. Once the winter set in, the poor duckling nearly froze to death. The peasants took him off to his women and kids. The poor duckling was afraid of the heat and the stench. The ugly duckling started the water in a very nasty way.
Okay, Bibi. Thanks, for Bibi.
Okay,
Next.
Mister.
That's it. What is-
Finally, spring arrived. One day, the duckling saw the gorgeous one swimming within the lake and fell in love with her. Then again, he remembered how everybody made fun of him and he bent his head down in the ship. Once he saw his own reflection in the water, he was astonished. He wasn't an unsightly duckling any longer, but a handsome young swan. Now he knew why he had looked so completely different from his brothers and sisters. They were ducklings, but I used to be a baby swan. He said to himself, we married the little swan and lived happily ever after.
Okay. Thank you, Aji. Okay. Narrative text. Point one.
Kayaknya satu kita. Laban.
Narrative text. This is definition, general chapter, and social function. Okay, student, make a dialogue with a friend. You have 5 minutes dialogue. Okay, Pak?
Dialogue about what, Mister? Your favorite make a short story nggak sih? Dialog. Yes. Story about Pebbles. Yes.
Game is that.
What lagi? Kamu tadi sampai sini.
Bisa. Ini.
Okay, finish. Sudah. Raise your hand.
I want
Sabi.
Thank you, Isa.
sapi. Ekor.
Hello everyone. I want to tell you about the lion and the mouse. One day, a lion caught a little mouse. The mouse said, "Please let me go. Only I will help you." The lion laughed, but let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion was trapped in a net. The little mouse came and beat the ropes. Soon, the lion was free. The lion smiled and said, "Thank you, my little friend." So, moral of the story, kindness is never bought. Thank you.
Okay, applause dari Salvedi. Okay, next, Salsabila.
Okay. Hi. Once upon a time, a lion was sleeping under a big tree. A little mouse ran across the lion's body and waked him up. The angry lion caught the mouse. The mouse said, "Please let me go one day, I love you." The lion laughed because the mouse was so small, but he let the mouse go. A few However, the lion was trapped in the hunter's net. He roared loudly for a help. The little mouse heard him and quickly ran to the net. The mouse used its trapped teeth to bite the ropes until the lion was free. The lion smiled and said, "Thank you, my little friend. I was wrong even someone's mouse can do great things." The mouse said, "A pleasure." So that's the short story about the lion and mouse.
Okay, thank you, Jaja. Applause, Jaja. Okay, last one. Last one. Vivi.
Gabby. Okay. Everyone read about that title is The Fox and the Grapes. Once upon a time, there was a hungry fox who lived in the forest. One day, the fox saw some beautiful grapes hanging on a vine. The fox wanted to eat the grapes, so he jumped many times to reach them. However, the grapes were too high and he could not get them. After trying many times, the fox became tired. The fox walked away and sighed. The grapes are probably sour anyway. He tried to make himself feel better because he could not get the grapes. The story teaches us not to pretend that something is bad just because we cannot achieve it. So thank you. That's all for me.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Mister.
Okay, student. What is the moral lesson from the Duckling? What moral?
Don't different your kids even she's black or he's black.
Do you have any question?
No, Mister.
Okay. Thank you to participation. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.